Full transcript of today's court hearing and what happened in court. The Labour Party candidate, His Excellency Peter Obi, just arrived to court, and the judges have equally arrived. Court proceedings began around 9:40 a.m. Counsel appearance for the petitioners and respondents are being announced. Those who have been representing Labour Party, APC, Shetima and Tinubu, including INEC, all are available. We move to the necessary background. San Levy will be anchoring the Labour Party today. We are ready to commence the proceedings, and my learned brother San Ipazu will kickstart the proceedings. San Levy presents San Ipazu as the one who will kickstart the proceedings. San Ipazu, my lord, may we kindly call PW form a subpoenaed witness, Prof. Eric. The witness has now been sworn in using the Holy Bible as requested. San Ipazu, please tell my lords your name. Witness respond. My name is Eric. San Ipazu, Eric, where do you live? Witness respond. I live in Awka, Anambra State. San Ipazu asks, what is your occupation? Witness replies, I am a professor of mathematics at Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. INEC Council says, I have just been served this morning with the sworn witness statement of this witness. INEC Council, I can see from the statement, which I have not been able to read through, but I can see 6 or 7 appendices, and I see he's a star witness. I was served a few minutes before the court sat. So to be honest, I and my team are handicapped on how to proceed with the witness. I would have thought that the petitioners' counsel, in the spirit of cooperation, would have given us some time. INEC respondent argues. So if the counsel wishes to continue with the witness, I would humbly suggest that they step him down, give us the document and allow us some time to review. Tinubu Shetima Counsel Ola Bekun, we have just been served the witness statement. We appreciate the reservations of the first respondent as well as his handicap. My lord, we can attest together that we don't mind counting, but if your lordship can stand down the witness for a few minutes so we can review the document. INEC Counsel A.B. Mahmood replies, I'm sorry, my lord. I did not say minutes. I am not a genius like him, so I'm not with him on that. The rules are clear. We need 48 hours notice. Justice Haruna speaks. You said the rule says you need 48 hours. Which rule is that? Court laughs. INEC Counsel replies, the pre-hearing rules, my lord, and I believe also the Federal High Court rules. Justice Haruna replies, INEC Counsel. Which part of the rules? INEC Counsel replies, Justice Haruna. Just a minute, my lord. We are searching for it. Tinubu Shetima Counsel Olani Bekun speaks. My lord, in the alternative, we can take the gentleman and do cross-examination later. APC Counsel speaks. We were served with the witness, the position, a few minutes before court. Be that as it may, I align myself with the submission of Ola Bekun that subject to your lordship convenience, witness can be taken and let him adopt the position, and we cross-examine him later. San Ipazu continues. My lord, I was conferring with A.B. Mahmood on where he stands, but it appears that 2 of the respondents are okay with the proceeding with the witness. So I am conferring with him to know if he aligns with that. INEC Counsel has now agreed to proceed with the witness and cross-examine at a later time, which will be determined by the court. San Ipazu continues. I would like to apologize for serving the statement late. We only received it yesterday. We do accept that, propelled by fair hearing, we can take the evidence and leave it to my Lord's discretion to decide on when we can come back for cross-examination. These are the best advocates in Nigeria. I'm sure less than 30 minutes would suffice for them to review the document. The court has ruled that the witness can adopt his deposition today, and the cross-examination will be scheduled for tomorrow. Sani Bazu says, please tell the court your occupation. Sani Bazu asks the witness. Witness replies, I'm a professor of mathematics in Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Sani Bazu asks, you were served a subpoena to testify, correct? Witness replies, yes. Sani Bazu asks, on 14th June 2023, you made a witness statement at the registry of this court, correct? Witness replies, yes. Sani Bazu asks, how can you identify the witness statement? Witness replies, if I go through it and I see my signature, I can identify it. Sani Bazu speaks, do you adopt that witness statement as your evidence? Bashetima Council object. We object to the witness adopting this witness statement. Most humbly, my lord, we adopt reasons and arguments earlier advanced by us in respect of similar adoptions. In order to save your time, Shetima Council continues with their normal chorus of objection. Sani Bazu speaks, my lord, we stand by our previous response and only add provisions of Rule 3 of the FHC procedure rules, which is categorically that witness under subpoena must be served following the rules, and it's mandated to provide witness statement. So, may I proceed? Justice Haruna replies, San Ibazu. The ruling is deferred until final judgment. San Ibazu replies, do you adopt the witness statement? Witness speaks, may I look at it? Witness, before the adoption of the witness statement, I would like to make some clarification. Justice Haruna speaks, you know he cannot give clarification, he can only adopt. San Ibazu replies, but you know if there is an error, he can point out some areas he wishes to correct. Justice Haruna replies, okay, go ahead. Witness on page 5. Okay, witness speaks. On page 5, under number D, the last sentence in bracket, see table 3 of Rivers State's course document should read, see table 3 of Benue State's course document. Justice Haruna replies, is this a clarification or an alternation? Sani Bazu says, is an amendment, my lord. Justice Haruna replies, maybe you need to withdraw the witness statement and update it, or you want us to be writing with biro. Sani Bazu replies, my lord, since he has not adopted the witness statement, he can just correct that one line, my lord. Justice Haruna, respondent, what is your reaction? Mahmood, any objection? INEC Council replies, since this is not a superficial alteration, it is quite substantive, it should be withdrawn and served again. Justice Haruna replies, so you want us to change table 3? Sani Bazu, my lord, you find out that everything under table 3 refers to Benue State, so it can only be an error. Justice Haruna speaks, Mahmood, what is your reaction to the application to make the clarification? INEC Council, Mahmood, I already made my stand clear. A similar issue occurred, but that was more formalistic. This is substantive, but it is up to your lordship to decide. Justice Haruna speaks, so you leave it to the discretion of the court? INEC Council, yes, my lord. Justice Haruna, Chief Olani Bekun, Tinubu Shentima Council, I will leave it to the court discretion. Justice Haruna asks, Fabemi, APC counsel, after being APC counsel, he replies, I will leave it to the court's discretion. Justice Haruna, let's proceed. Sani Bazu, very grateful. Prof, do you now adopt your witness statement as evidence? Witness, yes. Sani Bazu, my lord, I would like to refer to the documents mentioned in the statement separately. At paragraph 9 of your witness statement, you mentioned 3 reports. The caption are there. One is IRF scores, investigation. Second is data analysis of the Rivers election. Third is result of the election, Benue State. Beside the 3 reports, at page 3, paragraph B, sub B, it mentions blood polling units result in 18,088 blood polling unit results. Justice Haruna Bridges, why don't we tender the report first? Sani Bazu replies, my lord, we can do that. I seek to tender the report. We have even made copies of the respondent. The documents are now being tendered. Justice Haruna, be mindful of your time, replies Sani Bazu. Sani Bazu speaks, my lord, this is the last part we have tendered, the 3 reports. In the spirit of kindness, we also made copies for my colleagues. Justice Haruna speaks, you can only cause spirit of cooperation and not kindness. You are introducing a new spirit. Court laughs. INEC, Shetima, Tinubu, APC Council, all of them. We object to this document being tendered and we will give our reasons during the final address. Now, we move. The 3 reports of analysis in the witness statement have been admitted into evidence. Sani Bazu and the justice are now discussing how to tender the appendices of the 3 reports, whether to tender them separately or together with the reports. Court has decided that the appendices should be tendered together with the reports. Court is now on a 5-minute recess. The court has now admitted the 3 reports alongside their appendices into evidence. Sani Bazu asks, Prof, at paragraph 5, page 3, you made allusion to 18,088 blood polling unit result sheet on IRF. If you are shown the document, can you identify them? Witness, yes. Bashetima speaks, we most humbly want to know the type of witness this gentleman is. If it's a star witness, he has 30 minutes. If it's an ordinary witness, he has 10 minutes. But it's been 2 hours now. How much time will we take? Justice Haruna Bridge, are these documents certified by INEC? Ibazu, no, my lord. We downloaded this using our own machines and have compliance certificates. Justice Haruna asks Ibazu to do the right thing and be mindful of time. Sani Bazu insists that the object and tendering of documents ate into allotted time, but we round up. Sani Bazu, we seek to tender the 18,080 blood polling unit results. INEC, Shetima, Tinubu, APC Council, all objected as usual. We object to this document being tendered and we give our reasons during the final address, their normal chorus. The court has now admitted the bundles of 18,080 blood polling unit results sheet into evidence. Sani Bazu, you said you were issued a subpoena in your statement. You referred to a letter written by the second petitioner to you. Do you have them? Witness, yes. My lord, I respectfully seek to tender the letter written by the second petitioner to him. It is a letter of engagement and request to carry our data analysis for the forthcoming 2023 general election. INEC does not object to the subpoena, but object to the letter written by the second petitioner dated February 20th, 2023 and will give reasons during the final address. Bashetima Council, we object to the letter written by the second petitioner to the witness, but do not object to the subpoena. Chorus as usual. APC, we are not objecting the letter, but we are objecting the subpoena. We will give our reasons at the address stage. The court has admitted the subpoena and later written to Prof. Eric into evidence. San Levy, we still have one witness to call. Justice Haruna, yes, called the witness. San Levy, my lord, Pin Ikweto will take the next witness. San Ikweto, our next witness is also on subpoena. He is yet in court from Arise Television. Witness is now being sworn in. San Ikweto, please tell my lords your full name. Witness, my name is Lumene. San Ikweto, where do you live? Witness, I am a resident of Abuja. Skips full address for safety. San Ikweto, what work do you do for a living? Witness, I work at Arise TV. San Ikweto, you have a subpoena to attend this court today, correct? Witness, yes, correct. San Ikweto, subpoena was not served on you personally, correct? Witness, correct. San Ikweto, who was the subpoena addressed to? Witness, my organization. San Ikweto, do you have a copy of the subpoena with you? Witness, I do. San Ikweto, my lord, I seek to tender the subpoena in evidence. No objection from the respondent. The court has admitted the subpoena into evidence. San Ikweto, upon that subpoena being served on your office, do you have an identity card to show you work for that organization? Witness affirms and presents the identity card to the court. San Ikweto, I would like to tender a photocopy of the identity card into evidence. No objection from the respondent. The Arise News ID card has now been admitted into evidence. A copy will be made for the court and card returned to the witness. San Ikweto, following the receipt of the subpoena, you filled a written witness statement. Witness, correct. San Ikweto, do you adopt same as your evidence in the court? Witness, yes. Bashetima, we are objecting to this witness adoption of the statement and we adopt our earlier submission to similar application. INEC, we align ourselves and also object. As usual, APC joins in the chorus. We also object to the witness deposition being allowed. San Ikweto continues. I respond to their objection, Justice Haruna. Yes. San Ikweto, I adopt our responses made in similar application during the course of these proceedings. San Ikweto, in your written address, you made reference to a flash drive. Do you have that drive with you? Witness, yes. San Ikweto, my lord, it is mentioned in paragraph 5(9) of the written statement of oath. My lordship, I humbly pray to tender the flash drive into evidence. My lord, I have taken the liberty to show my learned colleagues the video recording of the flash drive. Justice Haruna, any objection to the admissibility of the flash? INEC Tinubu Shetima APC, we object to the admissibility of the flash drive and will advance our reasons during the final address. As usual, they keep chorusing objection up and down. The court has admitted the flash drive into evidence. San Ikweto, you have already told the court you want to adopt your statement as evidence. Witness, yes. Witness confirms the statement after taking a look. San Ikweto, I would like the video to be played in open court. I already discussed this with my learned colleagues. No objection from all respondents. San Ikweto, I took the advice of my lord and today I have one of my assistants, an IT specialist, to assist me with displaying the video. A video showing the INEC chairman's address in Chatham House is now playing very loudly on forecourt TV screens. The witness has been stood down and will return tomorrow at 9 a.m. for cross-examination. San Ikweto clarifies that there are 2 recordings and the second will be played tomorrow. Court has been adjourned to tomorrow, June 16, 2023 at 9 a.m. With due respect, we first of all appreciate those who gave us this transcript, the parallel. They're on Twitter as well. This very thing that is happening in court shows that gradually, justice will be served. And everybody who have been involved in stressing Nigeria to this very level must be heading to jail. The argument is raised. Let's hope for the best. Peace.